Stick drift is a common issue amongst controllers that is bound to happen sooner or later. Stick drift, you know you have stick drift problems when you get unwanted in-game movements without touching the controller. It can be frustrating, but you can often solve it without having to buy a new controller. I'm Max from LifeHackerMax, and this solution should work on PS4 controllers as well as any other controller that uses analog sticks. There's a sea of video tutorials out there claiming to fix this issue. However, not all of them are reliable, and I'll get into those on my Patreon page, where you can find additional content if you ever decide to become a member of my Patreon community. Check out the description for more information. Long story short, stop wasting your time with quick fixes that don't work, and let me show you the best hack to fix the PS4 controller stick drift issue. Stick drift? There are two main reasons for this problem. One, and second, potentiometer wear. Over time, potentiometers may wear out and give false readings. Each analog stick has two potentiometers. False readings from either of them can lead to stick drift issues. Stick drift issues? To identify which potentiometer requires attention, you can use the online tester linked in the description, which worked seamlessly on my iPhone and MacBook. Unfortunately, it doesn't detect the controller in the PlayStation browser. If the reading isn't consistently zero when you're not touching the controller, you'll need to fix the corresponding potentiometer. For the x-axis is the upper one, and for the y-axis is the one on the side. I suggest only fixing the problematic potentiometers, because they were not meant for this hack, and it is better to leave the good ones alone. You know what they say, if it works, don't fix it. Be advised that messing too much with them might result in breaking the metallic pins and ending up with bigger problems than stick drift. So exercise caution and do this at your own risk. Now let's get our hands dirty. After identifying the problematic axis, start by disassembling the controller to access the analog sticks. If you need assistance with the disassembly process, refer to my dedicated video linked in the description. Upon opening the controller, you might notice dirt and debris. By the looks of it, I can guess that the owner of this controller probably has a cat. So the first thing I'm doing is to clean the outside of the analog sticks. Now it's time to address the core issue. The potentiometer needs to be carefully opened using a flat screwdriver or cutter. Inside you'll find a small rotary slider, also known as the wiper. Clean both the resistive element and the wiper using a Q-tip and a bit of alcohol, ensuring you don't leave any cotton residue on any component. You might also get false readings because the metallic sliders aren't applying enough pressure on the resistive material. And for this issue, I gently bend them upwards to ensure a firm connection. After cleaning, I reassemble the potentiometers and conduct a test to verify whether this repair has resolved the issue. Be cautious when putting the potentiometers back in place, as there might be a small plastic pin that requires alignment with the metallic frame. If this pin is problematic, I found that trimming it makes it a lot easier to pop the potentiometer back in its place. As you can see, the right stick, which I've cleaned, no longer exhibits false readings. Before repeating the process on the left side, let's all take some time to give this video a like because of how awesome, wonderful and helpful this hack really is. Now I repeat the process with the left stick. Once everything is cleaned, fixed and performing correctly, it is time to reassemble the controller. Now you have a fully functional controller ready to deliver many hours of gaming. I'm Max from LifeHackerMax, and if this stick drift solution proved beneficial to you, share it with a friend. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them below. Thank you for watching and happy gaming!